Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. In the figure above, two line segments in the xy plane form a right triangle with the x-axis. What is the value of A? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how you can solve this. So, we are interested in the value A. So what do we know about the value A? Well, the value A is a coordinate of this point. More precisely, it is the y coordinate. So if we just... this would be A, this would be the value A. And the other coordinate of this point is 2. That would be on the x-axis. So this here would be 2. I'm not sure it would help or not. But this length would be 2. That's for sure. Okay. So we are interested actually in this side here, the length of this line, this segment. Well, let's just use the Pythagorean theorem. It's the most obvious one. How can we use it? We know that this side is 2, that's here, and this side is A. And what is this side? Well, we know that this side is 10 from O to this point. We can use that. And this side is A, and this is 8 from this point to this point. We can write these two lines up. Let's see, it may help us. So this line, let's call it x. X would be equal to the square root of, if we are looking, if we have a look at this right triangle, it would be the square root of a squared plus 8 squared, which is 64. Okay, let's call this y. Y would be equal to a squared, the square root of a squared plus 2 squared, which is 4. And we know, because this one, the big triangle, is also a right triangle, so we know that x squared plus y squared equals 10 squared, which is 100. Okay, let's substitute that in. It was actually a waste of time to write them up like square roots because we will square it now, but that doesn't matter. So if we square it, actually it cancels out with the square root because they are positive numbers. So a squared plus 64, which is x squared, plus y squared, which is a squared plus 4, would be equal to 100. And now we just solve this. This side we have 2a squared, and we subtract 64 and subtract 4. So 100 minus 68, that's 32, I believe. We divide by 2. A squared is equal to 16. And we take the square root. A has to be a positive number because it's a length, so we don't need absolute values, so that's just a equals the square root of 16, which is 4. And that's our answer. Hope you managed to solve it. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching.